How's it going, folks? The highly anticipated Powerbeats 3 versus the Powerbeats Pro video is out. Thanks so much for joining. My name is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, where we buy, sell, repair brand name electronics. And today we're going to be talking about both of these products, a little bit of benefits, a little bit of crappy things about them, and see what we like. I love the Powerbeats Pros. I've really enjoyed them for now, and they're not the most comfortable earbuds when you just get into them because of the pressure you get on the inside of your earbud. Here with the way they designed the speaker driver and the pressure you get on the back of your ear from the ear hook, but they are pretty sweet and I've really enjoyed wearing them. And I've worn the Powerbeats 3s for the last 2 years and I've really loved them as well. So I want to share some cool things about them. So as a starter, as you can tell, these are on my neck. These do not have anything. These are truly wireless, which is super cool, right? With the truly wireless comes new problems with Bluetooth connections and stuff like that. So far I haven't had too many issues with those, but it is really nice that you can have these without a wire, and that's a huge benefit now going forward. All the newer earbuds will not be having wires anymore, which is sweet. I think repairability wise or defect wise, it's going to be great because wires love sweat and they come down and damage these kind of earbuds. We're wearing a custom pair that we make custom Powerbeats 3s. And a lot of these can be damaged just because of the sweat from your neck coming onto these control talks, all that kind of stuff. So I think they're going in the right direction and we're excited about seeing all the new things that come out. I'm gonna start off with battery life. These have 9 hours of battery life. The Powerbeats 3s, on the other hand, have 12 hours of battery life. It's about 3 hours longer, which is really cool. Obviously, these have a case, these don't have a case. One of the differences is this case charges with a lightning cable or 8-pin, and this has a micro USB charger cable, which is also unique in itself. One thing I also want to talk about is the sound, the speaker sound. The Powerbeats 3 does have a slightly larger speaker driver than the Powerbeats Pro. I believe the sound of the Powerbeats 3 is better than the Powerbeats Pro, but that's up to you guys to figure out. I personally like the Powerbeats 3 sound much better than the Powerbeats Pro, but I do like the Powerbeats Pro much better just because of the convenience. I don't need a wire, I have a case, I put this in my pocket, I can go anywhere I want. It's really cool. At the same time, each earbud on the Powerbeats Pro has a volume control, and as you guys can see right there, each earbud on the top of it has a volume control up and down, and then the Beat logo acts as your pause, play, and your next feature on your Powerbeats Pro, which is super cool. That's awesome. On the Powerbeats 3, on the other hand, you have one control talk cable right here, or control talk function. You have your microphone right here. You have your pause, play. You click in the middle, pause, play, up and down volume. And what we see with these is the microphones are not that good. The microphones are not really meant to be talked to on the phone. So if you want to talk on the phone with these, or you want to talk on the phone with these, you're gonna have much better luck with the speakers that are on this specific earbud, the Powerbeats Pro. That's kind of the differences that I've seen, and we're really excited about starting to fix the Powerbeats Pros. We have been fixing them. We've been fixing the Powerbeats 3s for a really long time as well. And if you guys have any questions, any concerns, any comments about this video, feel free to comment, feel free to like and subscribe on our channel to see all the other stuff that's coming out. And thanks so much for our commenters that requested this video so we're able to make it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give you guys a quick little scoop on the differences between both of these units. I would recommend purchasing these if you guys are looking for an upgrade, but we do sell them on our website refurbished, which is awesome. It's about half the price you'd see on Best Buy or anything like that. And we're excited about getting into them, and hopefully you guys enjoy them as much as I do as well. Alright folks, my name is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.